Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the error that says Python is not recognized as an internal or external command on Windows. First, make sure Python is already installed. If it is installed and you still see the error, you need to add Python to your environment variables. On Windows 11, click on the Start menu and search for Environment Variables. Then select Edit the System Environment Variables. In the System Properties window, click on Environment Variables. Under System Variables, find the variable named Path. Select it and click Edit. Now you need to add the folder where Python is installed. Click New, then either paste the full path to your Python installation folder or click Browse and locate it manually. This is usually inside Program Files and then the Python folder. After adding the main Python folder, you also need to add the scripts folder. Click New again and add the path that ends with the scripts folder inside your Python installation directory. Once both paths are added, click OK on all windows to save the changes. Close your command prompt or PowerShell window. Sometimes you may need to restart your computer. The error should be fixed. Thanks for watching.